Hi everyone, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I'm here with Carla.
Kara.
Oh my god! You make me nervous. So I'm here with Cara. Thank you, the rest of everyone this time. Oh my god, it's my accent, thank you. So this is Cara, everyone. She's one of my most favorite clients ever. And friend too, because I know her for a while now. She always let me do the most beautiful cool colors ever. But at some point we decided to go a little natural, right, for a minute.
Yes.
So we did, and this is the result, which feels super cute and nice. She's been rocking it.
It's been over a year.
Right? Yeah, but I still I love it.
Yeah.
But she misses to be a little bit wild,
yes,
a little bit scandalous with her hair. Because she wanna feel the scandal.
Yeah.
She wanna explore the revenge.
I want my color back.
Thank you. So we decided that we're gonna do a little bit something in between in the professional way, because obviously she still needs to keep her hair nice, cute for work. Which, do they even care about you?
No.
Oh! Honey, be careful what you wish for, cousin. Okay, no, just kidding. We're gonna play really hard. No, but still, we're gonna do like a very beautiful, probably dark base, but we're gonna do something extremely fun underneath. So what will be? Maybe rainbows and shine? We'll see. So stay tuned here on Conoce un ángel. Ey, que, knowing an angel. Oh my god. Oh my god. So we're super excited. So we decided that we're gonna do something super extremely cute and fun. Hey, we're gonna do a cute, nice, cute rainbow. Oh.
Yes.
So yeah, we're gonna do something fun in here. We're gonna make this like a cute, beautiful rainbow full of colors, scandal and revenge. Oh my god, just kidding. And we're gonna do a beautiful Cooper brownish base. So we can make it look sexy, spicy, and especially Okay, so we're done applying the liner into the back of her hair. It's already working. So now I'm gonna do the base color. Oh my god, more like awkward. So we're done doing the color with the hair color base. Oh! And we line in the back, which, ooh, cute! So we did the base color. Is a nice Cooper light brown. And we have the back already processing. Oh my god, more like TMI. Okay, so now we're gonna let her beautiful hair process for like around 10 to 15 minutes. Thank you. So we'll see you soon, honey. Oh, look at my curls. Hella papi, more like selfie. So how are you doing, my love? How are you feeling?
I'm good. I love coming to see you.
Oh, really? How come? Tell us 3 things you love about the Angel experience.
Oh, the amazing hair, of course. I love our conversations.
Oh,
and you're just so much fun to be around.
Who, me? Because
yes,
I'm on the edge. Oh, Lord, I'm on the edge. So now we're gonna, oh my god, we're gonna sit and wait. Oh my god, what's that?
My little horns.
Well, I'm just making it look cute, so I processed you. Thank you, because we're all about fashion. I'm on the edge, the edge, the edge. The Angel experience. Whether good or bad, it's always an experience. Oh my god. So I'm super excited. We're finally done with the color, so we're gonna rinse it out. Oh, but look how good it looks though. Oh my God, I'm on the edge, the edge, the edge of glory. All right, we'll see you soon. Oh.
I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud. Didn't think you were this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Very nice, very clean. Wow. Now we wanna make it look even better.
Oh my God, I am so excited. Here are 7 colors to do a beautiful rainbow.
Go and say when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Love set. Wow, I'm super excited. We did have 7 little cute sections. Yeah, I grab a little bit of the brown, but that's okay because it's not really gonna do anything to it. So I grab every single one. So thank you.
I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
I'm so excited. Ooh, wait, what? Ooh. Alright. Alright. Okay.
When you walk by, girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Lose control of myself. Can find you anywhere. Been trying.
And we're about to rinse. Oh my God, that looks amazing. So excited. So finally here we are. I am extremely excited. The final look is here and it looks amazing. Thank you so much, Gara. Like I'm
You're
super
welcome.
excited. You look like stunningly beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to put a like. And I'll see you soon in Conoce un Ángel. Oh.
You should wear a name tag. That's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. It's too important, should be your name. People go and say when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. 'Cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now, and girl, you should wear a name tag. I didn't realize the danger, 'cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Oh my God, even in the dark, your hair looks amazing. Wow, fashion, feeling good and looking fine.